Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: the RIN-X latch, Sae Azure controller, and a stable 12V power source. Once confirmed, install the RIN-X drivers and the Azure SDK the device requires. Make sure to enable pairing mode on the latch, then plug in via USB-C or enable BLE on your machine. You do this now because a rushed setup causes connection errors later. After installation, open the Azure Device Manager and look for the RIN-X entry to continue configuration. Once done registering the device in the Azure portal, you assign an access policy and link it to your project. Next, upload updated firmware and set latch parameters: force, travel limits, and response timing. This prevents mechanical strain. You then run the built-in calibration routine. Execute repeated open/close cycles while monitoring telemetry until positional error is below 2%. Make sure to save profile presets so you can roll back. If latency occurs, reduce reporting frequency or tweak debounce settings in the controller. To finish, deploy your control rules and test critical behaviors: emergency stop, auto lock, and manual override. You should run a 24 to 48 hour log monitoring window in Azure to ensure stable responses and pick up intermittent faults. If something goes wrong, first reset the latch firmware and rerun calibration. Then inspect wiring and power supply for loose connectors or voltage dips. One key troubleshooting tip: if the latch misreports position, clear device cache and rebind the device in the portal before hardware swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.